Welcome to Tutorial Days. In this video, we are going to start a new series called ECMAScript. ECMAScript, in short, it is also called ES6. So in this video, we are going to learn that what is ES6 and when it was launched and how it is different from normal JavaScript. So the first question is, what is ECMAScript or ES6? ECMAScript, which came in 2015, which is also called Advanced JavaScript, and it is also called ECMAScript 6. Before we know the details about ES6, we have to know about what ECMAScript is all about. So the first thing is, ECMAScript is called the mother of all scripting languages. ECMAScript is language specification by ECMAScript International. ECMAScript specifies the rule, description, and guidelines that script language must comply with. So we can say you might be knowing W3C. W3C, which is also called World Wide Web Consortium. This is a specification body which defines that which new tags should be added into HTML and which obsolete tags should be removed. So similarly, for scripting languages, ECMAScript is there, which governs and which specifies that which tags should be added and which tags should be removed. Now let's have a brief history about this ECMAScript. First, Netscape Navigator launched a language called JavaScript. If you see the history of JavaScript, then you will know that first JavaScript was called Mocha. Then it was later called LiveScript, and finally it was called JavaScript, and the name JavaScript is still there. In December 1995, Sun Microsystems and Netscape released JavaScript. During the press release, Sun Microsystems, the same company which have developed Java, a powerful and popular programming language currently owned by Oracle. In 1996, Netscape discussed the project with ECMA International, and finally in June 1997, ECMA International accepted this, and the first edition was called ECMA 262. The name ECMAScript was finally accepted by ECMA International, Netscape, and Microsoft. ES6 offers you the facility to make the code more modern and readable. By using ES6 features, we write less code and do more. So the term write less and do more suits with this ES6. ES6 has brought several new features such as scope variable, arrow functions, template strings, class destructuring, modules, etc. ES6 was launched to standardize JavaScript to support its own implementation. JavaScript has been known best implementation of ECMAScript since it was launched. Though there are other scripting languages also like JScript and ActionScript, but these are not so popular as compared to JavaScript. Now to learn this ECMAScript, what is the prerequisite? The prerequisite is that you should have the basic knowledge of JavaScript if you want to learn this ECMAScript or ES6. So who is the target audience? Anyone who knows the basic of JavaScript and wants to learn the advanced part. For those, this is the video, this is the tutorial which will help to enhance their knowledge. Apart from that, anyone who is already working on modern programming pattern like object-oriented programming language like C#, PHP, Java, etc. For those, this kind of language, this ES6 may be very helpful, and they will find it useful to learn as well. These are the features of ES6. So the first one is support for constants and lengths. So these are the added new features. These are the new features which were added in ES6 in 2015. So the first one is support for constants and lengths. Remember, all these parts we will cover later one by one and go into the details. The second one is block scope. The third one is template literals, error functions, extended parameter handling, enhanced object properties, destructuring assignment, modules, classes, reiterator, generator. Apart from that, there is collections, map, and promises. So one by one, we will cover these all parts in detail. So by this time, if in case you have not subscribed our channel, we strongly request and recommend you to subscribe to my channel, and also please press the bell button so that in case in future when I upload new video, you will get notifications and it will reach instantly to you. In the next video, we will see this part, support for constant and leads. So you stay connected and please watch my next video. So for the time being, bye bye, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.